It's your girl Leslie. Welcome to day 3 of your yoga challenge. Give yourself a round of applause. You have almost made it halfway through. So that again deserves a round of applause. But let's get into it. So day 3 is child's pose. Child's pose is a great resting pose. And I'm going to show you how to get into it. So what you're going to do, just pull in my mat a little way out. You're going to put your big toes together and you're going to open up your knees as wide as your yoga mat. Then you're going to come on down like so that your head melts onto your mat. Then your palms are facing down. And that is child's pose. So you can stay in child's pose for 3 to 5 breaths. And in the next video, I'll show you how you can modify your child's pose.